Testing. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. Hi guys. This is my first tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Friday night funking animations. So this application you see right here is Adobe Animate, the program I use to animate. And for drawing, I use a Wacom Intuos. Yeah, you can use your mouse to draw. It's just that you're gonna need to use a lot of smoothing and all of that stuff. Wait, I opened up the wrong document. Uh, so I'm just gonna like make a new one. Okay. So we're going to be, so what I do for reference, I pull up the official FLAs for FNF. Like I start off with BF just for a size comparison. So we're gonna put him here, copy paste him over here. I'm gonna extend the frames F5 to do what I just did. Okay, 14. Yeah. So now I'm gonna start drawing. I'm gonna be making a character based off of the placeholder icons. So yeah. Let me just, yeah, okay. Okay. So yeah, highlight everything, convert it into a symbol. Okay. Because yeah. Mm. Yeah, I think the drawing looks okay now. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, okay. So now that we have our drawing pieces for easy animation, we're gonna be converting all of the stuff we have in our layers to symbols. Yeah, like this. Can end these like anything here to anything you want. Also, like one thing, if you have all of these drawings and you just like highlight everything and convert them into a symbol, it converts like literally this whole drawing you have into one, which is not exactly what you would want. Now what I like to do when I'm drawing, I usually like smoothing them out and straightening them just to make sure they look nice. Also, if you're straightening them and they come out weird like this, you can always just like uh is it advanced any of one. I usually like setting them to 10 or 20 if applicable. Oh, it's okay. Mm, it's okay, whatever. Actually, wait. Okay. Wait, no, wait for a face. Okay. Oh, shit, hold on. Oh, okay, so we have our character fully drawn. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna leave him like this for now. I'm just like give him like a placeholder color because the character is based off the placeholder icons, like I said. Wait, hold on. So nice. Also, to like, if you're coloring, you can always change. You can also change the color of the document. So in this case, the color I'm choosing to color this guy, it's the same color as the document, and I'm gonna get confused easily, so change it to, I'm gonna change it back. Fine pieces, pay attention to detail and all that. Okay, so this is my guy. Yes, you don't need to do this, but I like doing it because I like having it neat and organized, I guess. I really don't know why I do it. Okay, so this is my guy. Like BF, I have him using 14 frames for idols. So at 5 to make new frames, all of this routine. And how I animate, it basically mimics, it basically tries to go for how Phantom Arcade animates the characters. So yeah, so we're gonna try and replicate how this is animated into this guy. So 9 frames is gonna be like of the end of the idol, and the rest of this is gonna be the moving parts. So we're gonna be tweening all of this just to give us like an example on how it's gonna look like when it's animated. We're gonna modify all this when it's done when we're done tweening. The song to the foot. It's okay. Yeah, alright. Looks nice. Mm. Alright, so now that we have an idea of what the starting point would look like, it's now time to tween. I'm gonna convert all of this into a classic tween. And just keep in mind, the tween is how it's probably gonna look like. So now I usually don't like leaving it in tweens because to me it will come out weird. So we're gonna convert this into frame by frame animation on every other frame. And so now And here, what I try to do, just like try to I basically copy like these frame movements into the characters I animate. So like the body, like BF's body, is animated in 3 frames. I'm just gonna like, yeah. So hide this all. Just like little squishes. I'm gonna make this guy has little squishes to hide, hide all these. You can also remove these other frames. Looks okay. And now for the head, I'm just gonna hide these arms. So for the head, uh, he has his head down. BF has his head down. It goes down a little bit more, and then comes up gradually. We're gonna try to mimic that. So we have our guy. Hide the body. Just it's coming out weird. So I like to do my own take of it most of the time. I'm just gonna like it looks okay. So now these arms now. When I'm animating arms like this, I usually like to make them come down a little bit and then gradually go up. Basically like how the head, like how I kinda did the head. Like you can barely do any minimal thing to it and it might work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay, I think that looks okay now. And for poses, just for simplicity's sake, I'm not gonna be drawing much, so I can take away this BF because I got the size right and everything. So what I like to do for the poses, I usually make them have the same frames as the idols. So that's my last frame, 14. Gonna keep it 15 for reference. Now the poses, like stretch them out so that they come out like more groovy. I don't really know how to describe it really, but like come out more groovy because if you do like minimal movement to it, it's gonna look weird. I'm not gonna be doing much drawing for this, for the poses, so yeah. Okay. Uh, okay, this moving around. Yeah, I think it looks okay. It's alright, I guess. Uh, So what what I was doing over there, uh, I usually like doing it like that in case if I wanna put it as a GIF, a GIF, and showcasing the sprites. You don't really need to do that, but I just like doing it for fun. Although I don't show them most of the time. Just have to make a little bit more. Okay. I'm not gonna be like drawing that much faces because for time's sake and plus I'm lazy. I'm gonna go for Daddy Dearest X, like Daddy Dearest type animation. His body like barely moves, so like also yeah, for time's sake I'm just gonna do it like that. You can also draw a body, uh, different body poses for the characters like BF base game. Hmm. Okay. outside of existence. Wait. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Okay, so these are all my poses sketched, all drawn out. Oh yeah, I have this open. Uh, so these are all my poses, and like I said, this I basically replicate how Phantom Arcade draws and animates. Well, not draws, animates. Yeah, how he does it, like 2 frames, like for starting point. Just gonna like move this out a little bit. Actually, it's moved out a little bit too much. Okay. Alright, I think that looks alright. Just head down a little. Yeah, that looks okay. For the body, oh my god. Up one. Okay. Yeah, just make this a bit more willing to yeah, this like doesn't sit right with me. Yeah, alright. Okay. Okay. So I think this is okay now. Just like extend the cell to play the animation 4 times. Okay. Oh shoot. Also, you can change the FPS on your on the animation thing to any digit you want. The default they have it is 30. I'm gonna change it to 24 because that's how the base game characters are animated in 24 frames per second, and that's what the game can take as well. Okay, I'm just gonna like change it back to the default color. I think it was this one. Yeah, I was accustomed to the green for a while. Yeah, so okay, character looks snazzy, nice, snazzy, looking spiffy today. You can always save your stuff in the file. That's what I normally like to do. Uh, just save it, whatever. Okay, on that, also when you're done, when you want to put it in the game, you can select everything, the animated stuff you have, make sure you have everything. Right click, generate sprite sheet. So how I like to export my sprite sheets, to making them small, I like to set the algorithm to max reacts. You can choose basic, which is the default one. I just like to use max reacts when necessary. Like usually like to take up a lot of space. In this case, yeah, I'm just gonna stick it to max reacts to export it. And for the data format, for Friday Night Funking, you need to export them as a Sparrow version 2, Sparrow v2. You can space out the frames here. Border padding is like the space with the character's head, and with the characters like touching the the edge of the sheet. You can change it to any number you want if you don't want it to touch the edge of the paper. And for shape padding is the space the images have far like these frames have apart from each other. If you leave it to 0 and you test it out in the game, it's gonna like you're gonna see lines, and that's not really what we want. So we're gonna keep it to 9. The actual Friday Night Funking sprite sheets are set to 9 too, I believe. So set it to 9. And we're gonna export this. It's usually saved in your downloads. You can specify where you want to save it. Hold on. Specify where you want to save it. Like this is where it's gonna be going. I usually send it to my downloads. Browse and where you want it to be. You can just like save it again, and yeah, that is basically how I animate my Friday Night Funkin' sprites. Thanks for watching.